What's up, party people? Today we're going to be doing the exhaust notes on 3 different modes with the F80 M3. Today we have my black 2017 BMW M3. So we got Sport Plus, we got Sport, and Efficient. I mainly drive in Sport Plus and Sport, and you'll see why. We're going to start with Sport Plus, we're going to transition to Sport, and we're going to go to Efficient finishing off, and then maybe a little razzle dazzle with the Sport Plus. So this is Sport Plus. Sounds very nice. This is Sport. Pretty much the same thing with a little less gurgle. And then this is Efficient, which I never use. That was 6,000 RPMs and it sounds like you know what. This is Sport Plus redlining. Oh yeah. That's why I mainly use Sport Plus and Sport when I'm driving around. Sport, you actually get the auto rev match, which I really like because I don't really know how to heel toe all that well. And then Sport Plus sounds better, a little quicker, and you don't get the auto rev match. You can also adjust the suspension and the steering. Steering and suspension is Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, whereas the engine mapping or like throttle response is Sport Plus, Sport, and Efficient. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.